Another topic I wanted to briefly talk about is single-page applications, or SPAs. So with our new implementation, we're generating the customers table on the client. In other words, we're generating a part of the view on the client. Now, we could take this to the next level and generate the entire view or the entire page on the client. With this architecture, on the server side, we would have a number of APIs that are purely responsible for getting or modifying data. All the views will be generated on the client, which means we won't be using MVC razor views. Applications built with this kind of architecture are called single-page applications. In a single-page application, when the user clicks on a link, instead of sending a request to the server to get the entire markup for the new page, we make an AJAX call to an API, get the required data, and generate the view on the client. And then we replace the view in the main content area with another view. So essentially, we have a single page whose content gets updated as the user navigates from one area of the application to another. And that's why we call these applications single-page applications. Now, what is the benefit of this architectural style? Well, it makes the user experience faster and smoother because we don't have to reload an entire page as the user navigates from one area to another. So the page doesn't flicker. Good examples of single-page applications that you've definitely seen are Gmail, Google+, and Outlook. This kind of architectural style is getting more popular, and while most of the applications out there do not follow this architectural style, I believe we're going to have more and more of these single-page applications in the future. You probably have heard of frameworks like Angular, Backbone, and Ember. These frameworks provide a few abstractions that make it easier for you to build single-page applications. So if you want to build a single-page application on the server, you can use ASP.NET Web API to build a bunch of RESTful APIs. And on the client, you can use one of these frameworks, like Angular. I have a couple of comprehensive courses on both Backbone and Angular, so if you want to learn more about either of these frameworks, you can find my courses on Udemy. Now, Backbone or Angular, which one is better? I would definitely say Angular. Well, more accurately, Angular 2, because it's been developed using the latest best practices for the modern applications of today and future.